What is up, you guys? I'm back with a video. If you are new, welcome. If you are OG subscriber, thanks for rocking with your girl. Today we filming a Valentine's Day look and we finna slay. Hey, so right now I'm packing some color in my crease, and that color is Love Letter in the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm just packing that before I blend it out. So yeah, continue to watch and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm done packing that color in, and now I'm going to blend it out with Creamsicle in the Jaclyn Hill palette. Okay, so now I'm taking Jax from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I am blending that out into my crease to kind of define it, and I'm taking that on a flat crease brush and just blending it back and forth till I get that defined crease that I'm looking for. Okay, so now I'm taking Friday from the It's My RayeRaye palette by ABH Cosmetics, and I'm putting that over top of the colors that I just put in my crease. Not to deepen it, but to brighten it a little and make it a little bit more pink. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut my crease, and I'm gonna do that by using a flat concealer brush with some Tarte Shape Tape. And I find that this concealer is really good for cutting the crease because it's thick and it's creamy, and it's just all around a good concealer to cut my crease with. And I'm using the color Sand. Okay, so now I'm taking a little bit more of that Friday color in the ABH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to kind of create a outer C shape on my eye. I don't know where I was really going with this look, but it came out pretty cute. So yeah, I just created like kind of like a C, and I did it with the eyeshadow instead of doing it like with liner or a black shadow. I kind of wanted that more pink look, and I'm just blending it out, making sure the line is crisp and sharp. And yeah, I'm just working that into the outer corners of my eye. Now I'm taking a matte pigment, and I don't know the color right now. I'll put it in the description bar. But I'm just packing that onto my lid. Okay, so now I'm taking some NYX glitter glue and this glitter loose pigment stuff that I found. I don't really remember where I got it from. I'll try, if I remember, I'll put it in the description bar and along with the color of it. But I'm just packing that over top of the pigment that I just put down, just to kind of give me that more glittery look. I know you can't really see it on camera, but in person it looks really good. Okay, so now we're moving on to the skin. I am priming my skin with the Cover FX Illuminating Primer. I like this primer. It gives me that glow from within after everything is said and done and placed and set on my face. It's really pretty to me, so yeah. Okay, so moving on to foundation, I'm putting the Too Faced Born This Way, and I'm just dotting it on my face, and I'm using the color Caramel. Y'all, when I say I love this foundation, I love this foundation. It is not drying, but it's matte. It is not thick, but it's full coverage. Y'all, it's buildable. Like, if this is the last foundation on earth, I would be slayed and laid all year round. This is the best foundation ever. And look at this color match. Y'all, this is my skin. You can't tell me this ain't my skin. Okay, so now on to highlight, and Too Faced does it again, baby. When I tell you these products is bomb, they are bomb. Right now I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is the color Sand. This foundation, oh y'all, this foundation, it blends like a dream. It's full coverage. It's not super thick. I don't find that many creases. Y'all, ooh, Too Faced. Sponsor your girl. Sponsor your girl, because I got y'all. I got y'all. This is the best concealer ever. Just watch me blend it out, y'all. Just watch. Just watch. Okay, so now I'm setting everything in place per usual with my Mercier Translucent powder, and yeah, just blending that in. I don't really bake unless it's I bake in my laugh lines just because that's where I get the most creasage. But now I'm going in with some bronzer. This is the Tarte bronzer in Hotel Heiress. Now I'm just taking that same powder and I'm going to contour the nose. Snatch up that nose, honey, because we love a snatched nose. So now on to the brows. I know there's a whole debate about brows before foundation or brows after foundation, but I consider myself to be pretty good at doing my brows, so doing them after foundation is okay for me. I used to do them before foundation, but I used to always like get the foundation in the brows, so it's just like, okay. But yeah, I like doing them after a foundation. It creates like just a smooth canvas for them. So but I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. So now for the most important step in my makeup routine, it is powder. Setting my entire face with my MAC Studio Fix in C7. This step right here cannot be missed. Like, everything just comes together with this one step. And now I'm just spraying down my face with some Fix Plus. And after that, I'm going to pat it in with a damp beauty blender. This just helps give me that more airbrush finish, and I just love it. And now I'm just gonna pop on some lashes. I think these are the Iconic style by Kiss, and I just plop those on, curl them up, and you know, we're good to go. Okay, on to the finishing steps of the face. I'm going to take some more of that Friday and a little bit of Love Letter and a little bit of that Jax and blend them under my lash line to just bring the look together. So I'm going to take some mascara and I am going to brush that in my brows. I love doing this because I love those dispersed brows, separated hair type of look to my brows, and this gives me that, and I love doing this step. I do not go without doing this step. So now I'm going to add some highlight, and I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter. I'll put the name of it in the description box because I don't remember what it was, because it was a gift from my BFF for life. But yeah, I'm just highlighting the face, temples of the forehead, cheekbones, nose, and chin. And what's a makeup look without inner corner highlight? I love doing inner corner highlight. It makes my eyes look bigger. Not that they need to look bigger, because let's be honest, my eyes are huge. So yeah, but I still love doing inner corner highlight, and I'm going to highlight the brow bone and just be more precise with nose highlight. Now I'm going in with some brown lip liner, and this is by NYX. This is their ombre lip duos, and this one is in Cookies and Cream, and I just used the cookie part, and I'm just did my lips. And now I'm going in with the infamous Fenty gloss, and this is in Fussy, the newer one, and I love this gloss. I love this gloss. And how could I forget to add blush? I am a blush girl. I love blush. I love the color that it brings to my face. So yeah, I almost forgot about blush. And that was Raisin, of course. That's the only thing I used. But now on to the slow-mos. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope you guys can take some pointers away from this look and use it. Just, you know, get dolled up for bae. You feel me? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Deuces.